The fucking, how the hell the emergency number is this?
Yo, guys, this is gasoline like coming out of this piece of shit. Oh, I'm saying.
They want to leave.
Look at them. Some lady saying, take the purse, take the purse. Guy crashed beam through his nose.
Cause this is the lady that lives across the street from.
You smell gas?
Yeah, it's, I can smell it. It's right.
The gas is leaking under that car right there.
Yeah.
Under car.
Guys, all gonna die.
He's wildin'.
Oh god, this nigga getting close to the car. I gotta see this.
Look, his girlfriend is scared as fuck, yo.
Oh no, look, yo, that's that guy.
He don't even give a, he doesn't even care about.
Why don't you smell smoke?
I
gotta top it. My uncle gave this shit to me.
Trying to run away.
Ranger, what the fuck? Ranger. Angel, he's at my dad's house. You know what our schools are? Behind. What the hell are you doing at that? It's a brush. Nigga. Yo, you better run your ass home.
Damn, that's
Run your ass or I'll slap you. Nigga, I'll go down here and I'll slap you.
I just heard that bang.
Look at Frankie.
I was in the living room.
You can't see you.
I was in the fucking sala and shit.
I was in the living room just playing to die too. I tried it. Look at this people. Look at this people. Seriously, I smell gas. People.
Stupid.
Two car crash?
Actually, 1, 2, 3. This one crashed into that. That one.
This one right here.
That one.
Right here. You see this car right here?
That one right there just like drifted.
This one right here.
Then I'm freaking recording crash. Nah, I gotta stop it. Guys, car crash. Look at that shit. I'm gonna take this to school Monday. Start playing in my class. I'm like, okay, guys, look at this crowd right here. Look at my friend. Look at my friend.
He's crazy. It's a big car crash.
She's all dying.
Holy shit.
Just on this car.
That.
Man, his girl can walk. Her leg is fucked up. She can walk. Her leg got jammed.
I'm not taking pictures.
Verona Avenue and Lincoln Avenue. Yo, what
They call dance
roads right here?
Oh, God, no. Yeah, you better close this.
I'm gonna close the window.
I'm about to go on inside. I'm like, I'm probably start crying.
I'm gonna shut the window.
Oh, yo. Oh, crap. Yo, look at the idiot. Look at the idiot right there. His head about to explode. Oh, you want to see his head come in my hands like, ah!
That's under the car? Yeah, I went and told her. Whose car is that right there?
I love this shit.
What's your name?
My name is Nate.
Nice to meet you, Nate.
What's your name? Huh? Jordan? Jordan? Hey, it's Michael Jordan.
No, he's trying to
Yo.
I think it's leaking.
It is, because gasoline coming out. Because in that car, the gasoline tank is in the front. It's like at the bumper, so it broke. And then it just started leaking. I'm like, they were going at top speed. You go at like 100 miles per hour in the street, you might have crashed. That's what happened. Look, nigga went right here, from there, went 100. From there, went 100. They collided. This what happens when people like that try and kill each other. Ah! Look at this. Look at this black man. I'm fucking racist. I'm racist. I hate being racist right now. I'm so messed up. Oh shit. Oh, yo, I'm still recording this. I'm still recording. This thing is 4 minutes. 4 minutes. Oh shit, my bad. Hey yo, they about to fucking fight. Holy crap! Look at this shit. They about to fucking start. Look at this shit. How much one of them about to come down there and slap that lady right there.
Back slap.
I think that's my cousin.
Oh yeah.
But I'm not going to go in there because we got an over problem.
Oh, Janaya, watch out.
Bro, she about to back slap somebody.
Or my mother says like this. Bah! Back slap, bitch. I was just lucky to get back slap. Back slap.
Gonna punch like right behind it. Whoa.
Oh my god, yo, that shit about to freaking explode. You're gonna punch, bitch. Look at this.
Punch right behind that.
Huh.